Alright. And all things considered, let's get VC face working. Let's see how this works with the actual model real quick. So again, blue Revolver. I'm probably going to have fun trying this out at the very least, just because of how much fun others have had with it, and I don't know, simple. It works as a starter for me. So again, Val, basic, bitch, settings. And let's see how this goes then. I'm gonna have to throw my head side to side like crazy to actually get the ponytail going. But otherwise, VC face works relatively well. I need to work on my lighting to actually make sure everything actually works good, but... Oops. And I can let you know now, I've been trying this for a couple hours tonight. This is probably take 6 of everything so far. Mainly because I'm just trying out a couple settings, but hey, that's how shit works, so. I definitely looked away there for a second, so sorry. This guy really shouldn't be giving me problems for like the 5th or 6th try, but... But overall, nothing seems to be dying, having VC face going at the same time as this, so... I did a lot better at this on the first try. I'll be completely honest about that. And then just E-tanked, more or less. And I guess Val just doesn't know who this is, so... Because I did try it on the Ladybug earlier, but... Yeah, that was kind of bound to happen. I'm playing dumb. But overall, avatar movements work, so... Let's just get to phase 3. And shoot this buddy boy down. Don't even need to worry about the leaking, apparently. Probably get more points for actually breaking that, but whatever. Didn't get the break this time. Oh well. Good enough test. Everything seemed flippy enough, so... When I can get back into VRoid and start editing this up, then we can have some fun with it. Actually make it look cleaner, and make my hair not look completely flat in other places, because I focused the ponytail. But, good test. Chat with you later. Bye-bye.